This is a mortise lock which we are using in the casement doors, and it's suitable with the Eurogroove profiles. The code for this mortise lock is FB301MI, FB301PI and FB303PI. This material for this lock is stainless steel, and the connection for the multi-point locking, the main purpose of this mortise lock, and single point locking is also available, and triple point locking is also available. So we have a 3 option for this mortise lock, and material is the stainless steel and zinc steel. So the extra accessory which is make it as multi-point locking to the single point locking. FB301PI is the single point locking. To make its multi-point locking in the door, you have to give some additional arrangement, that is the Debbara. Another is multi-point lockings, that is the 18222. So these are the extra accessories which you have to use with this integrated lock. Mortise lock is mainly used for the doors. Now let's see some technical requirements. Here the spindle of this required in this slot should be 8 mm. So here our mortise lock 615305 will be suitable with this lock, and this is the slot for the cylinder, and you can see the how much distance from the cylinder to the lock, that is the 85 mm. So you can use any mortise lock and the cylinder, it will fit in this multi-point locking system easily. In this through FB301MI you can provide the triple locking, means 3 points, and due to FB303PI you can give the more than 3 locks. You can give the 1, 2 and 3, and due to some others multi-point locking, other locking points, you can make it as more than 3 lockings.